keep doing this if there's only like 10 people who watch it?
Wow. Mama, you decide. Should we do a vlog in Spanish or in English? Spanglish? Look at these. Their doors open up like a Tesla. Look. Ay, gordo's face.
What?
Yeah. No way!
He said that?
He said no way! Ok, pasamos a la gasolinera a agarrar algo de tomar. Un Red Bull, porque estamos cansados. Porque Red Bull te da alas, ok? Por eso. ¿Okay? Que Red Bull te da alas.
Sí. Shit kills you.
She kills you.
But I need some energy.
Just a little bit.
Yeah, that's why I grabbed the 12 ounce.
Yeah.
The 16 or 20. Oh yeah.
Ooh, car. They want to see you more in the vlogs.
Oh, they don't. They never say that.
Yes, they do.
Ooh.
Everybody likes you. You don't like me.
Well, if everyone likes me, I'm gonna start an OnlyFans.
If we get 10 likes, Ruben's gonna get an OnlyFans.
Yeah, the only 10 people that watch our fucking thing. Why do you even keep doing this if there's only like 10 people who watch it?
Wow. Wow.
It's true.
Okay.
We never grow.
We're discontinuing.
Yes, we are. We got so famous, we're gonna discontinue.
We don't like this fame. We can't walk
We can't
in
go
the
out
street.
anywhere.
I hate this YouTube.
My kids are like, they're asked for autographs all the time. They can't even write.
Every time we go out, there's paparazzis outside our house.
You know? Can't sleep.
They're making up stuff about us.
You're saying that I got Botox?
They say Ruben got Botox and he got a BBL. Can you believe that? That's all false.
BBL, or is it?
Vamos a ir a agarrar cobijas para la cama.
Cobijas.
No para nosotros,
no
para
son
la cama.
cobijas,
¿Qué son?
sábanas.
Oh, sábanas. Sí, es cierto. Sábanas para la cama. Y luego tenemos que ir a IKEA para agarrar un
Tendedor de toalla.
Tendedor de toalla.
I don't fucking know. I don't know.
A rack. For our cat.
Una raco de toallos.
Pinche gringo.
El raco de toallos. De taulos.
Tienes el nopal aquí en la frente mismo.
No nopalo.
No nopal.
What?
Sí, güey.
Say hi.
Di hola. No.
Say hola.
Pobrecita Mica no sabe español. ¿Sí lo entiende? Bueno, a veces unas cosas sí entiende, pero está tratando de aprender en español.
Do we even have any Spanish speaking?
Yeah, we do. No.
I know some of
Solo-
my friends, but
Yeah.
other than the like 3 friends that comment on there.
I get more comments like
When
not
it's just
from
you.
YouTube. I get more comments from like Instagram and Facebook of like family that says that they're watching and stuff. So you have to start commenting on my videos. Tienen que empezar a comentar en mis videos. No on Instagram and Facebook. So we don't have one. We got this minty one. We got the gray one,
No,
no?
we didn't.
Oh, no, we got
minty
this
and
one.
black.
Yeah, that's true.
¿Cuánto están? 36.
Yeah. Wait, I think so, no? 30, yeah, 36. So, para esto venimos. ¿Ese azul está bonito?
¿Este?
Sí. ¿Y qué otro color? ¿Quieres agarrar ese gris? ¿Este?
¿Cómo se llama?
Agarra uno blanco.
¿Un blanco?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
¿Son estos chiquitos?
Sí. Normalmente están a 60.
No,
Microfiber.
No, I like these.
Sí. ¿Te gustan?
Yeah.
Se sienten frescos. And Summer also says like, Mom, our bed is fresh.
Yeah, every day.
Even though the count on them is like low, it's still a really good. It feels really nice. She loves the bed. We came here like a week ago. Venimos. These are nice too.
I got on my feet.
240.
Oh, no.
Sup, ma? Superma.
Superma. He says, sup, ma.
Supima.
Supima.
¿Nomás esos quiero?
Yeah.
Sure.
Sí. También cuando venimos, habíamos mirado que había la marca UGG. And we've never seen UGG before. Well, at least I have it. So they have these. And they have all this. And this color is so pretty. But the price on this is not so pretty. Well, it's not too bad, but I would much rather. Prefiero agarrar dos por el precio de uno que solamente uno. So, look at this. For like the edge of the bed. Damn, these feel nice.
Oh, damn.
It doesn't look like they would feel nice, but they do. How about this? These are nice too. Huh.
So soft. Buffy.
Ow! 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 Wait! Tu madre, my hair.
You pulled it out too.
Shit. Is that gordo?
Yeah.
Oh my god, he just pulled my hair. Go down. Chicken and buen cell.
Yeah.
The puffy cloud comforter.
Wait, what is this?
It's a comforter.
Oh, this is the comforter. No tiene.
No, huh? Full twin. Unless it's up there.
No.
It's harder?
Yeah.
Does that feel like Summer's mattress?
Yeah.
Oh. Babe. Pillow fight in the store. No. You'll send me flying all the way over there to the other side. Oh, they had the body pillows over here. Oh, look, this is what you need. 20 times cooler. This is what we all need if you live in Arizona. He made it. He made it to the big stores.
These fucking pillows before they're here.
Even the color.
Yeah.
Even the color.
My little pillow.
My little pillow? Oh, yeah, 20. A mí no me gustan las almohadas que están muy esponjadas. Look at these bowls. Reduced retail, $30, $40, 50% off. Nolia Home. I love that show. Nomás que se quiere bajar. Ooh. That's just like a quilt. $14 for a twin. Este se siente bien.
Yeah.
It kind of reminds me like at the bathroom mats.
Oh yeah.
Without the like cushiony like foamy part.
What is wrong with this?
I don't know.
So it doesn't slip off the sheets, I guess?
I guess, yeah. Maybe you have like silk sheets because you know how annoying those are.
These are nice.
That one is nice. Coco throw. That's so nice. What's this? Oh look, this is like the ones we bought. It's a twin and a full.
That's just a twin for Summer's bed.
Oh yeah.
Hers is a twin, right? Or a little full?
I think it's a twin. They have another twin right there.
Yeah, for real, huh?
Yeah, 116.
Te digo, uno para ella y uno para el gordo.
Sí. Antes estaba 150, 155. Yeah. With the protector. Este color está bonito. Oh, it's an UGG too.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a bed.
$40.
Para la gorda?
Yes. She doesn't really have a bedding. What does it come with? Just the quilt? One twin, extra large. Si quieres, yeah. You like the color? I think it's pretty.
You like it?
Yeah. You guys sleep in your bed? That's gonna be fresh.
Will you sleep in it?
I don't think they're gonna sleep in it. Oh shit.
Yeah. Dice que sí.
¿En su cuarto o en su cama nomás?
En su cuarto, en su cama.
Oh, okay.
You sleep in it? It makes it fresh and soft? Huh?
Get a light bulb.
Yeah.
But you're gonna sleep in your bed now? You are?
I'm grown up now.
No, you're not.
I doubt she's gonna sleep in it. So I'm sitting here editing this video and to tell you guys that she now sleeps in her bed. I think it was the fact that we bought her that mattress topper. She really likes it. It was more comfortable for her, and also, you know, the quilt is a really nice material, so she really liked it. And now she sleeps in her own bed, so that's awesome. Just want to pop up here and let you guys know how it went. See? Okay, we'll try to sleep her in there then. Okay. Look at those pillows, they're so cute. I want to see that one right there.
Feels good like that.
Yeah?
But
oh my god, this is heavy. What the heck? Damn.
¿Cuánto está?
Oh,
yeah.
It even hurts my hand. $26 de 52.
52?
Damn, that's a good price. Son como cuando usan los costales. It's as heavy as one, but it feels really nice.
It's a brick.
Que se venga. Ahora estamos en IKEA. This is extra warm. We need an extra cool one. Light warm comforts. I have a cooling one. No, como los de allá. It's weird, huh? Como el material tiene mucho que ver. Pero no tienen así el que se sientan frescos. Oh. Shit. Yeah, huh? Oh, this one too. Yeah, these are it. Oh my god, you could feel the difference. So weird. Yeah.
Yeah, so tiene the
Little towel holder thing? Okay, I'll get one of these.
¿Sí?
Yeah. I'll put it down here. Should I make my room pink now? Should I make my bathroom pink now? Ooh, Summer would love it. Summer would be like, it's my bathroom now. I think that's so personal. They're so warm. I mean, they're so fluffy. It's nice. It's a good size too. Agarra?
No.
No, I'm okay.
¿Segura?
Yeah. ¿Y no tienen rosita?
Oh,
No, I'm talking about like fluffy like that.
Fluffy?
Yeah. And I'm not getting white like
No.
that. Nope. This is so nice. These are nice. Yo ocupo uno de estos. Oh, you can write in this one. Okay. We are home.
And look at this.
What did you get, Mommy?
I got
Show them.
a bag.
Ooh, that's so pretty.
It's pink.
Okay, I need to wash this, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna wash this right now, actually.
Where's the light?
Look at this. We ended up fixing the aquarium and it looks so pretty. The terrarium, not the aquarium. She likes that spot
Yeah,
right there. Those air plants are so nice. ¿Por qué son tan chillones? So this is what we were doing all morning. Cara de mazapán, dice la Summer. We ended up getting that for Summer's mattress. What do you have in there?
Pokemon.
Hmm?
Hold on.
The what? Oh, the Pokemon stuff? Oh my goodness. What, you're putting yours in your pocket too?
Yeah.
That is not your pocket, boy.
Thank you. Give me lots of pop-ups from upstairs.
Backpack from which one?
The purple one.
The purple one.
Yeah, I do. With dogs?
Oh, that one? Yeah, I can get it. We got him this Spider-Man rug for his room. He does have a room, but he doesn't sleep in it. Or it's not even set up either, so how is he gonna sleep in it? But that's one of the things that we're gonna have to do soon. I wanna get his room set up. Come on, me. Because he has a bed frame. He doesn't have the mattress yet, and he has like the drawers where his clothes go. And it's like Cars theme, so it's like the Lightning McQueen and it's red. So even though the carpet is in like Cars, it's still Spider-Man. He loves Spider-Man. So there's gonna be some Marvel, you know, things in there too. And then Summer is a kind of girl who loves flowers. So every time we go to the store or you go to Costco, she always sees flowers and she always asks Ruben to buy her flowers. But sometimes we're just like, no, because they just die. You don't even get to play with them. So he picked up one of these fake ones for her so she can put them in her kitchen, huh, mommy? You like your flowers?
Yeah.
Yeah? Where are you gonna put them? Show me. Oh, wow. That's pretty. So let me show you guys everything we got. I'll start with Bed Bath & Beyond, since that's where we got the little rug area thing, the Spider-Man, and then we got
Summer's bed.
your bed.
What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars.
No, really, I just took a picture of my nose.
Maybe the birds will
Give me
sing
one with the
about
buttons that don't
your
work.
Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who
I want
lost
to
their hope.
fucking see the replay on that. How the fuck? Dude, that's so fucked up. That is... No, I want... Flag.